A massive winter storm, unofficially dubbed Winter Storm Fern, is battering the United States, spreading heavy snow, crippling ice, freezing rain, and frigid temperatures over a vast portion of the country from the southwest to the northeast. The storm is one of the most expansive in years, with potentially historic impacts on travel, power systems, and daily life. Meteorologists report that roughly 230 million to 245 million people across about 40 states are expected to experience elements of this storm, including heavy snow, sleet, ice, or dangerously cold air. At least 22 states, from Alabama and Texas to New York and Virginia, have issued emergency disaster declarations, alerting residents to prepare for severe conditions. Washington, D.C., has also declared a state of emergency. Forecasters describe this system as rare in its scale, affecting the central and eastern two-thirds of the country simultaneously. The storm has been driven by a deep dip in the jet stream that has pulled Arctic air far south into areas unaccustomed to extreme winter weather.